Welcome back, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. New week, getting some work done on the vet during the week. It is Tuesday night, I couldn't remember. And we're just trying to finish up. I got the rest of my tube for the cage, so I'm trying to finish up the down tubes, the harness bar, and the diagonal. And then we'll be able to get all this welded up. So that's what I'm working on now. I got the passenger side down tube done. I've got to make the plate for the frame and then burn that in. I am working on the left down tube now. Gonna deburr it, throw it in the lathe, clean it up, get it notched out, and put it in. All right, so I got the top of these rear plates burned in. Heated up the sides and just folded them over. We're gonna burn all the way down the side and the back, front, all over that place. I'll just clamp it in place to hold it there while I weld it. Alrighty, so plates are pretty well burned in. I gotta do the bottom sides, but I'm gonna wait till the subframe's down so I can just get to it from underneath. These two down tubes are tacked in place. They look pretty good. Fitment's really nice everywhere. I'll be able to get it. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked. So it looks good. I was thinking about putting an X in there, but I think it's just going to be more of a pain in the butt than it's worth, mainly to get a rear firewall here. It's going to have to be notched out, and then I don't know, still don't know where I'm mounting my radiator, so that's another thing that might kind of be an issue. So yeah, that's it for tonight. So check back in when I get some more progress. How's your wrist? You getting there? You got the cast off, huh? Just got your little brace. All right, well, I'm back. It's Saturday. I had to run a bunch of errands this morning, so it's the afternoon now. Plan is to get the diagonal, the harness bar, and everything bent up and notched and get that in. Once, make sure all that fits, then just knock the boxes out, burn this thing in. Once that's done, then I can start mounting a radiator. I probably won't get that far this weekend though, so this one just might be a long montage of moving around and stuff. What are you doing over there, kid? But, so yeah, we're gonna get headed on that, working on that. I'll get some tube cut, notched, and go from there. So got the diagonal bar notched and everything. I kind of got one gap that's going to be a little bit to fill. I kind of messed up notching it into the door bar, but that's all right. I'm just going to burn the cage together, knock the boxes out, burn everything in. The harness bar, it doesn't really matter. That's going to be, no matter what, nice and easy to weld because the harness bar is going to be about here on the cage. So I'll have plenty to weld around this, plenty of room. Everything will be good. So pull the seat out, start welding the cage together. All right, so I got the lower door bars and the uprights knocked out, the boxes knocked out. Now we can get right to the top of the cage to weld everything nicely. So I got them fit up, so those things are gorgeous. So yeah, once I get all this welded, pick it back up and weld the lower door bars in, and then the diagonal, and then the base plates and or the boxes, and be good to go. Got all the door bar, the upper door bar, all the A-pillars, down tubes, everything is burned in. I gotta finish burning in the lower door bars and the uprights, do the diagonal harness bar, and then once I get everything, once I get the training tunnel figured out, I'll do the dash bar. That'll be easy to weld in place. Good progress today. And we gotta go cook some dinner, so yeah, we're getting there. Progress was made. All right, so it's Sunday, we're back. I've got to finish the lower door bars. I'm gonna suck the cage in with a ratchet strap. So basically I'll just go from here over to there, suck the two sides of the cage together so I can get on the outside of here to weld it. Other than that, yeah, then it's welding in the diagonal bar, and yeah, should work well. All right, so ratchet strap this main hoop together. It pulls it in, so now I'll have enough room to get around this. I should be able to pick it up a little bit, kind of maneuver it around to get to the bottom as I need as well. So, yep, time to do that, and then I'll do the same in the front, ratchet strap, suck those in, and get to the outside of that. So I got everything welded at the bottom of this one and that. The only place I can't really get to, and with a little more time and a better mirror, I probably could. I can't get to the bottom side of that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna MIG weld that. You won't even see it. It's not gonna be any weaker. I just wanted, essentially, aesthetically, to TIG weld it and experience, but well, that's done, so I'm gonna weld in the diagonal now, and then I'll switch over to the MIG before I burn the boxes in and everything to get to the bottom of that. And that over there, not really happy about it. Something to note for the next cage that I do in a vet, so I can get to the bottom, but yeah. Ran out of argon, so that sucks. But I got most of the cage burned into the boxes. Boxes still need to be completely burned into the chassis, but I'm gonna pull this fuel tank out so I don't melt a hole in it. Pretty stoked with the way most of this is coming out. Looks pretty dang good. Got this door bar. These door bars mostly welded in. They look pretty good. I'll even show you the bad ones, unlike most of the Instagram internet people. But we're looking pretty good. I'm stoked. It looks good. It fits good still. It definitely moved a little bit when I welded it, when it wasn't welded down. So we had to kind of poke, prod, move, push, pull. But it's good. I'm stoked. It's getting there. Still just gotta weld the door bars in. I'm gonna bend up the driver's door harness bar, or yeah, the driver's side harness bar rather. And then this is just a straight harness bar, and the passenger seat will sit further forward than the driver's one. But yeah, and then obviously get motor and tranny in it, cut the tunnel up, make sure that it doesn't need to be raised or anything, and then I can build the dash bar and the cage is done. Once the cage is done, it starts coming together a lot better. I can start mounting the radiator. I might grab the radiator now and kind of try to see where I can put it. But yeah, I'm really stoked. It's probably gonna do it for this one. It probably will end up being pretty short. But again, I appreciate everybody's input. Like, share, comment. I really want to know what you guys are thinking, if you're liking the content. If you're not, then that's fine. I apologize. I'm trying to do as best as I can with learning this stuff. And also trying to get some work done, because that's always a tough part. Nobody really seems to say is when you're actually trying to record and everything, setting up the camera and trying to get stuff done, it's tough. It can definitely be tough. So just keep moving along, trying to get this car done for February so we can go down to E-Town hopefully and test. I appreciate you all. Like, share, subscribe, comment.